Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. One of the customers called me the freezer there is no power. So if it's no power, at first you check the switch. Uh, Dear viewers, I've checked the switch. Switch is okay. Then second step, need to check the AC volt present or not, this temperature controller. Then I have checked AC volt are present. Then also it's not turning on. So that means this temperature controller has gone. We have to replace the new controller. This controller has gone, so this temperature controller I'll change new, then video will be back. So this is the old one and I have been installed new. So dear viewers, finally we check it's working not. So alhamdulillah, there is power. Thank you.